airfares has multiple aspects surrounding to it, and the government is taking a multi-pronged approach dealing with it. And when it comes to the airfares, the capping of it, the higher limits, definitely we are revisiting it. We are seeing how they are being. That is why I said the TMU, whatever the highest airfares they are doing, we are monitoring them. And we are discussing with the stakeholders, airlines, on how they decide it and what it should be. The government is continuously involved. And coming to the point of discussing, engaging with associations, the ministry keeps a very, very open approach. Whoever wants to discuss, let it be an association, individual. We have multiple layers within our ministry and our system. We'll continuously engage, and internationally also. Internationally, when it comes to having this point of call, it is a bilateral issue. And it's not just a point of call that you can give it for Kannur to the entire world. It depends on which country you want to have a point of call with and how it is. And also, they're also giving us the necessary point of call from the other country. And especially when it comes to Kerala, and he has multiple times raised this issue on various forums also, and likely so, because there is the need of the capacity. It is not only, I would like the member to also understand, it is not only about capping the airfares. Because capping the airfares, there will be 100 seats that are available. You want them to be a certain price. Agreed, you are getting it. But there are 1,000 people who want to travel. What about the other 900 people who can't travel? We want the capacity to increase. We want the capacity. I'm not shying away from the fact that the airfares need to be reasonable, one. We also need to understand that there are more people who want to travel. That is why the demand is so high in that sectors. That is why we want more airlines to come in. I've explained how we are doing it. Honorable member comes from Kerala. There are many people who are there, expats living across the world, especially in the Gulf. I would encourage him to reach out to his constituency, people who are there. Please tell them to start one airline also. Increase the capacity. The government is facilitating for that. Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Sir, one thing, sir. With my, I'm withdrawing as per the practice of the House. I'm withdrawing as per the practice of the House. But sir, what you told, sir, even if half of the carrier is free, seasonally they are charging higher fares. That is happening to Kerala. Even when half of the carrier is free in seasons, they are charging too much. They are making this an opportunity.
नहीं, माननीय सदस्य सदन भी मानता है कि माननीय मंत्री महोदय ने जो चीजें सदन में एड्रेस की जाती है, आपने एड्रेस करें या प्रश्नकाल में या कभी भी, माननीय मंत्री जी गंभीरता से उन सारे विषयों को लेकर चर्चा करते हैं और सभी माननीय सदस्यों से जो भी व्यक्तिगत मिलता है उससे भी और सदन के अंदर भी वो कोशिश करते हैं कि जो माननीय सदस्यों की भावनाएं उन भावनाओं के अनुसार एयरलाइंस काम करें।
So sir, let's not hope. Otherwise, let's hope this situation does not arise next season also. Whether we want to discuss it all again. So let's see whether these actions might result as per the practice of the House. I am withdrawing, sir.
आप ले लिए?
ये विड्रॉ कर लिए सर, विड्रॉ।
प्रश्न ये कि श्री शफी परिमल को अपना संकल्प वापस लेने की अनुमति दी जाए। जो सदस्य इसके पक्ष में हैं कृपया हाँ कहें, जो सदस्य विरोध में ना कहें। मेरे विचार में निर्णय हाँ वालों के पक्ष में हुआ, संकल्प लेने की अनुमति प्रदान की जाती है। सदस्य अब अपना संकल्प वापस ले सकते हैं। ऑनरेबल मेंबर,
I'm withdrawing the resolution.
थैंक यू।